Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to grade 9 ICT textbook explanation video series, new video. Last video we discussed about the processor and the specification of computer peripheral devices section. So today we have to discuss about computer hard disk. Actually we can use the computer hard disk to store our data. It can comes with various types of various size of capacities. Actually in here you can see that there is a hard disk of 1 TB. In here you can see a hard disk size with 4 TB. TB mean terabyte. In here terabyte, 1 terabyte mean 1024 gigabytes. In here 4 TB mean 4 multiplied by 1024 gigabytes. So according to our requirement, we can get the hard disk according to our requirement, 1 TB, 4 TB, 8 TB or any other any other capacity according to our requirement. Therefore, we can consider also the hard disk capacity under the specification of computer hardware, computer peripheral devices. Okay, next device is computer monitor. Actually, we can use monitor to get the display output. Through the display we can see the output of the computer. It can be a ebook, it can be a video, it can be any other process or something. We can use monitor to get the video or any other view the output. Okay, actually there are 3 types of computer monitors according to the technology. One is CRT, cathode ray tube monitor. Other one is LCD, liquid crystal display monitor. The latest one is LED, light emitting diode monitor. There are several benefits and drawbacks comparatively in these monitors. CRT is the classical one with the large size. Size mean the not the screen size. From the size and from size it is large than the other monitors. As a LED, there is a high power consumption in CRT monitors, but with the LED monitors we can get a large size with the large screen size monitors with low power consumption. Therefore, it is more effective than CRT monitors. Okay, actually we can measure the size of the monitor by the diagonal length. We are measuring the size of the monitor through the diagonal length, not the normal length, diagonal length. This is the diagonal length. This is 19-inch size monitor. This is a LED monitor. So if you have a large size monitor, we can see large size images and videos. Therefore, it is also a we can consider it also as a specification related to computer peripheral devices. In here, you can find the you can see the difference between CRT monitors and LED monitors. As I explained you, we can see that there is a large size monitor. It means for this side. If we consider this as a 3D item, this is the we consider this as the length. We consider this as the height, and if we consider this as the width, in CRT monitors we can see a large width because it should include the cathode ray gun inside the monitor. Therefore, it is the normal size is CRT monitor is large and it is too heavy than LCD monitors. These are flat devices. We can get according to our, we can buy according to our requirement with light weight. Okay, in next video we can discuss about main memory, specification related to the main memory. I think now you have a good idea about CRT monitors and LCD and LCD monitors. Nowadays we can probably we can see LED monitors, but in few years back we used CRT monitors also. the one of the main benefit related to CRT monitor is we can see true color through the CRT monitors. That is the main benefit related to CRT monitor. Okay, in your next grade 10, you can understand more about these monitors from technology side, how to what is the mechanism of these monitors. So up to your grade 9 level, it is enough to understand about there are three types of monitors: CRT, LCD, and LED. LED is with lightweight and flat type monitor other than CRT monitor. So we can discuss next part in next video. Till we meet again with the next video. Have a nice day to all of you. Thank you very much.